hello, mabuhay to everyone. I am John Davis Bulan, and I am the presenter of the problem one. And I am here in front of you para i-discuss sa inyo kung paano ko nakuha ang net pay na 7,737.75. Pero ano nga ba yung question na ibinigay sa atin sa assignment? Ito yung question 1. 1. Ella works as a clerk with a daily wage of 570 pesos. This month, she worked only 15 days due to a family emergency. Compute her gross pay, deduction, and net pay. We can see on the given problem that the given daily wage is 570 pesos, and the number of days she worked is 15 days. Multiplying the 570 times to the number of days she worked, we can get the gross pay 8,550. Now, let's move on to her deduction na nileson natin kahapon. Ang mga common deduction na nileson natin kahapon ay ang SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig. And we all know na binabawas ng SSS ay 5%. While PhilHealth 2.5 at ang Pag-ibig naman ay 2%. So, let's move on sa pagbawas na. We deduct the 8,550 to 5% as it says sa SSS, tapos nakakuha tayo ng 427.5. While sa PhilHealth, nakakuha tayo ng 213.75. Tapos sa Pag-ibig naman, nakakuha tayo ng 171. Ngayon, para makuha natin ng mas mabilis ang net pay, i-add natin ang lahat ng total deduction na nakuha niya ngayong buwan. Minus the 8,550 which is her daily wage and the 812.25 which is the total deduction na nakuha niya ngayong month, makakakuha tayo ng net pay na 7,737.75. I hope naiintindihan niyo ang aking presentation, and that's all. Thank you.